Okay, student, after the long waiting, I am Asit Tiwari, your SSC teacher, is giving the online class through the YouTube channel, and this is my first video on the phase. Over the demand of many students, especially my friend Raj Swami, who recommended me to start the video on the phase towards the students, so I have planned to start the video on the YouTube class. So this is my first lecture on the YouTube class, online class, and my lesson is manufacturing industries. So student, you can see well, this is our 6 number lesson. Actually, I have finished my 5th number lesson, minerals and energy resources, which was completed last week, and now this is the 6 number lesson, manufacturing industries. It is very interesting lesson, especially for those students who have a lot of interest over the various type of the industries, especially the iron industries, cotton industries, and so many other industries. So student, let's we start the lesson. So student, you can see well, manufacturing industries. In the first, you should know, a student, what is the meaning of manufacturing. Manufacturing means a kind of process to manufacture the final goods from the raw material or from the kind of product which can be produced through the primary process or the secondary process. Then all these process we get the raw material or the intermediate goods, and we turn them into the final product. So student, you can see well, this is the kind of industries where we can not only develop our domestic people or the government or the economies, but also we can maintain our kind of good things for the whole country. Not only for the whole country, but also we can maintain our good status in the whole economy. So students, this is the lesson where I am telling here that there are the 3 kind of the economic activities. I want to write there economic activities on the basis of nature of production. On the basis of nature of production. So there are the 3 kind of the activities. You study them in the second lesson of the economics. Primary sector or the primary activities, secondary sector or the secondary activities. This is our main part to study in the same lesson. And tertiary sector or tertiary activities. So student, you can see well, primary sector where we produce the goods on the process of natural production process, where we will get the raw material, such as the farming, agriculture, and so many things. It is called the agriculture sector or the related sector also. And secondary sector where we produce the final goods from the raw material, from the kind of raw material which we get from the primary sector or the secondary sector, kind of different type of the you will say goods. And third is the tertiary sector. This sector do not produce the goods or any kind of the final goods. It produce the only services. Services mean in the form of services, transportation, communication, banking, and so many other important services which are very important, which are very essential to develop the economic sector of the whole country. So student, let we see what is the manufacturing sector. So in the first, you should know it, the manufacturing sector or the activities that turn the natural raw material or the manufacturing raw material, that is called the intermediate goods, into the manufactured goods, that is called the final goods, that are ready to sell or use or consume by the consumer, by ourselves in the marketplace. In the first, I want to tell or I want to clear it that what are the kind of intermediate goods. Intermediate goods means the kind of product which we get from the natural process or which we get from the manufacturing process. Such as if we want to produce the chocolate, So we have need the sugar, we have need the dry fruit, we have to need the kind of different type of the product which are very important to produce the final goods. Final goods means the chocolate and sugar, dry fruit and so many other products. These are known as the intermediate goods. So these are very important or essential goods to produce the final goods, and which are very important for the marketplace, because in marketplace only the final goods can be sold and can be bought in the marketplace. So student, I hope you could understand well. Now, manufacturing development is the index of economic development of the any country. Actually, you have seen the manufacturing development of China, America, and so many countries. Why they are developed? Because they had developed their manufacturing, I will say, units, and manufacturing development of that country had made the successful achiever in the manufacturing economies. That's why they are leading the manufacturing worlds in the different countries. So student, you can see well how these. So student, I hope you could understand well this lesson. I want to describe the very important things which are very primary things about the lesson to discuss you. And this lesson we will discover into the various kind of the industries, and our second important topic which we will discuss on tomorrow about how is the manufacturing sector is important not only for the industries, for the primary sector, and why the primary sector and secondary sector are the complement for each other, and manufacturing sector can be grown not only in the you will say block areas, village areas, but also it can be developed in the cities, urban center. You can see that the industries and the urbanization can move hand in hand, so that you have seen lots of development in the manufacturing sector in the cities. So I hope you could understand well. So student, thank you for listening to me, watching to me. Hope you could understand well. Thank you.